In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of WhatsApp on your laptop or computer. Let's get started by making sure we're on the same page about what we're doing. When you use WhatsApp on a computer, you're usually using WhatsApp Web in a browser, or the WhatsApp desktop app. Both of these are linked to your phone, and staying logged in on a shared or public computer can be a privacy risk. So it's really important to know how to properly log out when you're done. First, open WhatsApp on your laptop or desktop. This might be in a browser tab like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or it might be the standalone WhatsApp application you installed. Give it a moment to load your chats and make sure you can see your regular WhatsApp conversation list on the left side of the screen. Now, look toward the top area of the WhatsApp window, usually near the top left or top right, depending on the version you're using. You're looking for the menu icon or your profile section. On WhatsApp Web, this is often represented by 3 vertical dots near the top of your chat list. On the desktop app, it may appear similarly, as a small menu icon in the upper area of the window. Click on that menu icon. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear with several options, such as settings and other tools. Among these options, you should see one labeled Log Out. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right option. Then click on Log Out. As soon as you click it, WhatsApp will disconnect that computer from your WhatsApp account. You'll be taken back to the initial screen that shows a QR code, which is the page you see when you're not logged in. That's how you know the logout worked. At this point, no one else using that computer will be able to see your messages unless they scan the QR code again with your phone. If you're on a shared or public device, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or quit the WhatsApp app after logging out, just to be extra safe. Also remember, you can always manage and log out of devices from your phone by going into the Linked Devices section in the WhatsApp settings. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of WhatsApp on your laptop or computer, keeping your chats and personal information secure.